Okay, so what we're going to do here, we got to use a slip coupling because I can't push down on this or push up on it and or pry it. I could maybe pry it out. So what I'm going to have to do here is glue this regular coupling with the stop. This piece here was 3 3/4 to, it's a little bit short of the mark, but so anyway, here, always use clear primer. I hate that purple stuff, man. I mean, some states might make you use it just to prove that you used it, because the primer is the most important thing. It creates, it's an acid and it melts the PVC pipe. People think it's just a cleaner. No, it's not a cleaner, it's an acid. And it melts and truly melts this together, and that's why they call it a solvent weld. Okay, so I glued this all the way up into this. Now I'm going to, and then always go around like this with your dauber. I gotta put my glasses on because I don't want to get primer or glue in my eye. I've done it a few times. It's no fun. It really isn't. You might have to go to the hospital. But anyway, so all right. You want to use a lot of glue on this just because I'm trying to fix a leak. Okay. All right, now we gotta let that set up for a minute. If you use a lot of good primer, it'll stick faster and it won't come back off of there. All right, so now we're gonna, where's my slip coupling at? Okay, so now we got the slip coupling because we're gonna glue this up, slide this all the way down to here, and then push it back up on there. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of primer, even though it might make it stick. You gotta get it. These slip couplings, they usually will work, but I've done big undergrounds where I tried to fix pipe on 4-inch, 3-inch big breaks in undergrounds, and you almost have to pour a whole can of glue down on them to make sure they're gonna. Okay, so then we got to put a whole bunch of glue here on the slip coupling. Whole bunch of glue there. Whole bunch of glue up here. A little more on there. Then we got to push this down. It might not be too easy, but push it down on there. Pull it back up onto here before it sets up. And I've got it about a 3/4 difference. I'm gonna wipe this real good. Get around behind it. Wipe this one, even though it's definitely gonna seal up. All right, that's the one down here. We gotta go upstairs and fix the other one. Cut.